Welcome to my channel. How to fix HP printer cartridge not recognized. 1. Ensure correct cartridge compatibility. Double-check that the ink or toner cartridge is compatible with your specific HP printer model. Using an incompatible cartridge can prevent recognition. 2. Power off and restart the printer. Turn off the printer completely and disconnect it from the power source for about 60 seconds. Then reconnect it and power it back on. 3. Remove and reinsert the cartridge. Open the printer cover and carefully remove the problematic cartridge. Inspect it for any visible damage, and then reinsert it firmly until it clicks into place. 4. Clean the cartridge contacts. Take a lint-free cloth or cotton swab slightly dampened with water and gently clean the copper or gold-colored contacts on the cartridge. 5. Check for protective tape or cover. Ensure that any protective tape or cover on the cartridge's contacts or print head has been removed. This tape is meant to protect the cartridge during shipping and must be peeled off before use. Six. Update printer firmware. Check if there is a firmware update available for your printer model. Download the latest firmware, and follow the instructions to update your printer. 7. Reset the printer. Perform a factory reset on the printer. This can often clear error messages. Instructions vary by model, so refer to your printer's manual for the reset process. 8. Try a different cartridge. If available, try using a different cartridge, ideally a new or known working one. This will help determine if the issue lies with the cartridge itself or the printer. Thank you for watching.